Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So first of all, I want to apologize for not posting a video last Friday. I have good reason. Well, I guess since you're seeing this video now, last week was my birthday, June 8th, and I had a lot of stuff going on, but more importantly, we are going to the Smoky Mountain Small Bore Rally down in Townsend, Tennessee. That's going to be Friday and Saturday, which is the 11th and 12th, and we are getting ready to go now. I've got the Helix and the CH80. They are going to be heading down with us. We've got a nice U-Haul trailer over here on my dad's truck. But anyway, we're going to be carving up the mountains, going down the tail of the dragon. I'm bringing the moto vlog set up so I can take you all along for the ride. And I'm just going to try to capture as much footage as I can. I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but it is fogging up. It's going to be a really humid, hot and humid weekend. Hopefully it doesn't rain us out, but fingers crossed it's going to be a fun time, and maybe I'll see some of you all there as well. You'll see me riding around on the Helix. Alright guys, I will see you all in Townsend, Tennessee.
I missed it, no.
Oh shit.
We in Tennessee. Well, boys, we've officially arrived in Townsend. A little bit later than expected. Not too much issues coming down. These did come loose a little bit, but we made it. Hell yeah. Alright boys, it's officially day 2 of the Smoky Mountain Small Bore Rally. We're moving a trailer, then we're going to head on to the rally. They got some cool stuff planned today, so I'll definitely take you all along for the ride. Let's get it. So you want to bet this audio is working? What? Do you want to bet this audio is actually working?
Can you test it?
No, unless I plug it up to a laptop. It worked yesterday, but you know how it goes. You ready? Let's go. All right, guys. How's it going? I hope my audio is working. Last time I tried to take you all for a ride, it didn't work, and I had to buy all these different adapters in order for the GoPro to work. So I'm hoping you all hear me. If not, we're just going to have to overlay some music, I guess. There we go. Helix. Nothing like it, dude. Cruising at a solid 47 with my blinker on. That's awesome. Freaking love this thing, man. So later on today, we're supposed to do a big group bike ride to, I think it's called Killboys, which is on the top of the tail of the Dragon. So that should be super cool. Like hundreds of Groms and Ruckuses and Metros and all sorts of scooters and bikes. We'll all be heading up the tail of the Dragon. I think that's supposed to happen today. That's the main reason why I got the moto vlog all set up, because I definitely want to record that. That should be all sorts of freaking fun. Should be super entertaining. Oh, there's some more over there. Let's hope, keep our fingers crossed that the rain kind of holds off today, that there's a bigger turnout than there was yesterday, even though there was quite a few people there yesterday. All right, Wolf Creek Motorsport Rentals, we have arrived.
Green. 8090. Green.
You already won.
Yellow 3419.
Buddy. Oh, you want to pet? Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna ride around for a little bit. We met this dude. God, if I could freaking keep my turn signals good. We are gonna ride around a little bit. Right now they're doing some field games, which none of us are really a part of. So anyway, we are gonna go zoom around the mountain, man. Hopefully I get some pretty good footage here. Hope my GoPro stays recording, and God, I hope my audio is working. If it's not, I'm gonna be really upset, but yeah, dude, this should be pretty fun. I hope you all enjoy. Look at those mountains, man. Wow.
I saw you guys coming into town. I was in the progressive.
Oh yeah, the progressive car. That's great.
I'm like, yeah, I'm going to ride this too.
Hell yeah, that's awesome. So on our way in, this dude was in a progressive car, and he drove by us. I don't think I caught it on camera or anything, but he drove by us and gave us a thumbs up and was like super excited. I was like, dude, he's so excited. And I guess he was coming. I guess he was coming with us. Oh, that's cool.
Purple 1005. 6161.
I don't know what I'm going to do with this.
3 items left. We're done. Okay, everybody get on your bikes, get ready to go, whoever's going.
Here we go, boys. Here we go. See everybody in the freaking background? Hell yeah.
Alright guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Had a lot of fun, got a lot of footage to go through. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. So next time, I'll see you later.